welcome to a new video. Today I'm back with a new phase of our journey. My journey has sort of teaching you guys what I know, and I want to put a disclaimer on the beginning of this video that I'm going to be talking about some basic stuff like really what's waiting you on this journey. So it's more like a beginner friendly video. So if you more advanced, you can save this up for sharing to another friend or just not really watching it. It doesn't present hell of gems or sauce in it. It's just more like a friendly beginner guide and the reality of our journey. And if you still want to watch this, thank you and welcome. So today we're going to be talking about trading basic concepts, a very basic and superficial presentation of what is waiting for you. So let's start. The content we're going to be watching in this video is the startup, your journey, styles of trading, time and price, concepts, and tools and apps that will help you to make this journey smoother and better. So first of all, the goal with this series of videos that I'm going to be creating for free, which I'm going to be sharing with you all the knowledge I have collected among my journey. I will teach it just as I learned it, and I will teach all that I know. No gatekeeping, all for free. I will be presenting the information for the ones that are willing to learn and the ones that are willing to put in the work. And I'm not trying to sell you something on advance or make anything from you. I'm just here to share what I know, and if you like it, that's good, and if you don't like it, keep on your journey. I'm not here to waste your time, which is your most valuable asset here, and I'm trying to reduce that amount of mistakes and misinformation, gurus, etc. I'm not saying I'm the best one of all out there. I'm not even close. Everyone has their big mistakes and their up and downs, and I'm not close to be the better one because we are everyday learners, so we must keep on the work. I'm just here to try and help you out, guys. So this is what the reality of trading looks like. It's an up and down journey. It's not a straight path up. It's not an easy journey that you are coming to approach. And sometimes you will have a light bubble moment where you think you are getting the grip of it, and sometimes after you think you are doing great, something will pop on your mind, something like greed or overconfident, and all of a sudden all your progress will seems like it was made with no point, and you will start to doubt if you are enough for this and if you are good and meant to be this. But if you are all happy and putting the work and you have decided to put in this path on your journey in life, there's no way back. Like if you put in the work every single day with passion and love, someday after many losses you will achieve what you want, because at the end of the day we don't lose if we learn. You can take losses on your journey because you will, but if you learn from them, they are not losses, and you will not fail if you don't quit. So just don't quit. This won't be easy. Maybe if you feel at the moment you are doing great and you feel like you are easy and you are outpacing the market and outsmarting them, trust me that sometime they will outsmart you, and you must stay humble on this journey. Greed is the biggest enemy here. It's a really give and take, and you should be conservative and happy with what is enough for you and for your necessities. So this is a not straight line journey, and you must have that on mind. You might be on glory one day and on the ruin in the next day, so keep your head up always. The styles of trading, there are multiple. I like to scalp or day trade, which is scalping is a very short-term trade on a position that might uh, take a few seconds or minutes, mostly minutes to be honest. Like seconds is a very quick trade, but it happens sometimes. Day trading is a position with the same trading day, but you don't hold it till the next day, overnight session, that we will be talking about later on presentations if you don't know it. Swing trading hold positions for several days to weeks, or this can be stressful for someone. So if you manage to do this and you are able to do this, maybe for your schedule, maybe school or work, you can do swing trading or day trading instead than scalping. And you should choose the one that feels more comfortable with you rather than what everyone says or thinks about any of these styles. You should use the one that fits you with your personality, and everything that I will talk about on further slides or on further videos all can be applied for all of these different styles and assets that we will be talking about and seeing about on the future. So let's talk about of some basic time and price um, from ICT concepts. So time, it basically narrows down to kill zones and macros. Kill zones is a time interval that we want to be working on. We have 3 of these. We have Asia, well, in theory we have 4. We have Asia, London, and New York, and lunch, and New York PM, which is 5, but in overall, the most important ones are Asia, London, and New York, because that's the most superficial. Asia is from, I use it from 20:00 to 00 to midnight, and London is from 2 a.m. to 5 p.m. always on New York time. Change your platform or whatever you are going to be using over the apps that I'm going to be talking about later to New York session times. So always the times that we are going to be talking about will be on New York times. So 2 to 5 a.m. London, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. New York. Then lunch is from 11 to 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. and I will be talking about further from other sessions that I like to trade. I already have one video on my channel, but it's a bit more advanced. Then from kill zones we have macros, which is another time interval. The formula is any given time you want, the 50 minutes of that last hour that you want. Let's say 9 a.m. 50 minutes of that hour. So 9:50 to whatever hour you want to 10 minutes. So 9:50 to 10:10. It's a 20-minute interval, which we can see price to deliver more quickly or do certain actions that I will be talking about, with what to expect on each macro and when to expect this. And this is a very key factor because you can buy on the same price level, but if the time is not right, you can get a loss even if you buy it on the same price label. That's why timing the market, it's a fundamental thing that we are going to be talking about, because that's the way you want to approach this. And second of all, as I said on the beginning, I will be delivering this a bit quick because I don't want you to waste your time. So we're jumping right up to some concepts, some basic concepts of ICT as well. We have fair value gaps. Maybe if you have been around this, you have heard about it. And I'm going to be talking about the BC and CB, which is a fair value gap. The BC is when it's let's say a bullish fair value gap. It's a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. That's a BC. Is when you will have an uptrend or a bullish market, and inefficiency, which makes these three candle patterns that you can see on the left of it. This will make the BC, as you can notice, the wicks. The way that we are going to be identifying this is when we have some three candles, which two of the candles, as you can see here, doesn't have the wicks touching each other. It's a gap, which is an inefficiency. I'm going to be talking about and more slow and more advanced stuff, more overall stuff on the future. Same for the CB. I typed it wrong there. That is CC. That's my bad. But it's sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. It's a CB. It's when the same stuff applied for the BC, but on a downtrend or a bearish market. The next one, it's buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity. This will be made on candles, wicks, or bodies. This often comes to marking down our targets, hunting stops, and I will be talking about later on more advanced concepts as well. This one can be used for targets and mixed up with BC and CBs as it's shown here. Then we have another basic one, but I don't really use this because I think it's great for a beginning, but after you develop your skills more, you don't really need this, which is a dealing range, a discount and premium range. As you can see, the green zone will be the discount, the red zone, the premium. And which this means is that when you are looking for buys, when you are trying to buy some asset, let's say Nasdaq or Bitcoin, I don't know, you want to buy that action or that share, whatever you are trying to buy, you are trying to position yourself in the lowest part of the price at the moment on a discount part of the dealing range that we are going to be talking about more in very deep of ranges, because it's something that I really love and it's fundamental to my trades. So you want to position on a discount part of this zone for buying your longs for your bullish trends, and for sells or your bearish trends or downtrends, you want to be position yourself on the upper part of the price of the moment, which will be premium, as will be on a higher level, and you will be selling out on a lower level. And to finish this quick video, the tools and apps that we are going to be using among our journey will be Discord. If you liked Discord and you have it, I have a community that I will be linking up on my bio, that I'm more active there. I try to be more active there and be answering your questions. There are guys that know a lot of stuff, so everyone can help you out there. And I think having an accountability partner there, or trying someone that help you out when you need, it's fundamental to developing your skills and your journey much faster. And the last one will be the second one will be TradingView, which will be the app that will be which will be looking out down to the charts and placing our paper trades on the beginning or trades on the future. This is the main platform that we will be using to check out the markets. Then Forex Factory for checking the economic calendar, which this will be fundamental also for checking the news release, bank holidays, etc. And next of all, Notion, because this platform will help us out to take journals, take notes. I will be linking down below as well in the description some links of my personal trading journal template that I have and liked, and also my Notion notes taken template as well for you to use it. And that's it for today's video. As I said, it's very quick and short. It's just for a beginner friendly, and hope you like it, and see you on the next time that we are coming hard and fast to delivering all the information that I think you will guys appreciate. And see you next time. Welcome to